In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change combat stats in Peroxide. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly reset all of your combat stats, so strength, vitality, spirit. You will be able to do this by interacting with a specific NPC. I'm going to teach you how to find this NPC and how much it is going to cost. So, the NPC that you have to talk to is this one. You might have seen him around. This NPC is the Hobo Monk. You can find him in a specific alleyway. So this is the alleyway that you have to look for. I'm going to give you detailed instructions on how to get here. So you will be able to reset your stats by interacting with him. You can find him not too far from the hospital, and if you want to, you can simply use your Reiatsu compass to find him. It is going to be a yellow arrow. So once you go over to this location and you go into this alleyway, you will find the Hobo Monk. By interacting with him, he will give you these options. I want to reorientate my combat abilities, what is my true potential, who are you, and then finally the option to end dialogue. The option that you are looking for is the first one. I want to reorientate my combat abilities. This is going to cost you 800 yen, so it is not that expensive. When you choose this option, you will be able to reset your strength, your vitality, and your spirit. So just talk to him, choose this option, and everything will be reset. Afterwards, you will have the option to reallocate them accordingly. And you can do this as many times as you wish. The other options are simply going to be dialogue, and they don't have much meaning in the case of this video. So all that you have to look for is this option here. I want to reorientate my combat abilities. Once again, this is the alleyway that you are looking for. You can use the compass and just follow the yellow arrow if you prefer, and he is going to be located here. Interact with the Hobo Monk and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to change combat stats in Peroxide. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.